In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a dispute on Vestiaire Collective. If you've encountered an issue with your purchase or need to raise a concern, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and type Vestiaire Collective into the search bar. Once you hit enter, allow a moment for the search results to load. As you're looking at the list, click on the first result, which should take you directly to the Vestiaire Collective website. If you're on a desktop, you might find it beneficial to bookmark this page for future use. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In option. This can typically be found in the top right corner of the screen. If you've already saved your credentials, logging in will be a breeze, but if not, simply enter your email and password. If you're a first-time user, you might want to keep your login information secure with a password manager. After signing in, locate and click on your profile. This is usually represented by an icon with your initials or profile photo. Clicking on your profile will give you a variety of options to manage your account details and transactions. Next, navigate to the Chat with Us feature. This option is a direct line to customer support and is crucial for filing disputes. It's either located in the Help or Support section of the site. Clicking Chat with Us will open a chat box which typically appears as a pop-up on the page. In the chat box, clearly articulate the nature of your concern. Be sure to include relevant details such as the item description, order number, and any correspondence you've had regarding the issue. Spelling it all out in advance can help streamline the conversation and make it easier for the support team to assist you. Once you've entered all the necessary information, stay engaged with the chat. Customer service representatives may need further details from you, so being responsive will aid in resolving your dispute more efficiently. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification if you find some instructions unclear or need additional assistance. This interaction is designed to be supportive and help address your concerns comprehensively. Hopefully, these steps have demystified the process of submitting a dispute on Vestiaire Collective. Remember, the website is there to support you, and the Chat with Us function is a valuable tool for quickly addressing issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you resolve any disputes you may encounter with ease. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe and check out more of our content for additional tips and insights.